Friends, whenever I move towards right side, my A column is not appearing to me because I want to see which version is this side. In those cases, we use the freeze. So you can keep the cursor here. You can go to the view tab, and I'm sure you're finding a freeze pane option, and you can click freeze pane. Why? There are three things. If you want directly the top row, you can directly keep this. If you click this, top row is freezed. That means even if I go down, my top row is visible to me, right? When it comes to left column, freeze the left column. Even if I go towards the right side, my left column got freeze. But I want my top row as well as left column both has to freeze. If that is the case, keep the cursor wherever you want so that before all columns will be freezed. That means if I keep my cursor into B2, before B2, uh, before B2 one row is there, before B2 one column is there. If I click freeze, unfreeze first, then if you click freeze, both row and column got freezed. When I go down, my row is freezed. When I go towards the right side, I can see my column. Okay.